In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sites versus Wix. Which is the top website builder for beginners? If you're just starting out and want a clear path to your first website, understanding the difference between these two builders will save you time and frustration. Let's keep it simple and practical so you can decide with confidence. First, Google Sites. This is a free website builder from Google designed for simplicity and quick setup. Think of it as the fastest way to get something clean and functional online without a steep learning curve. The interface is minimal, the options are straightforward, and you won't get lost in menus. It shines for basic websites, like school projects, internal team pages, or simple portfolios, where the priority is getting information online neatly and reliably. If you want a site that you can build in an afternoon with almost no technical decisions, Google Sites is hard to beat. Now, Wix. Wix offers both free and paid plans and is a more advanced website builder. Its standout feature is a true drag-and-drop editor, which lets you place text, images, and sections exactly where you want them. It comes with many design options, from templates to animations and layout controls, so you can make something that feels very custom, even as a beginner. That flexibility is a big plus if design matters to you or if you have a specific look in mind. Here's the trade-off. Google Sites is easier because it has fewer features and a very simple interface. You get consistency and speed, with fewer decisions to make. That simplicity means fewer ways to break a layout and less chance of feeling stuck. On the other hand, Wix is still beginner-friendly, but it packs in more tools, and that can feel overwhelming at first. Expect to spend a little more time exploring settings and experimenting with layouts, especially if you're new to web design. So how do you choose? If your goal is a straightforward, information-focused site, something you can publish quickly and maintain with almost no effort, Google Sites is a great fit. If you want more creative control, richer design, and room to grow, Wix is likely the better option, even if it means a slightly steeper learning curve. Start with your priority: speed and simplicity, or flexibility and customization. Either way, you'll be able to create a solid, beginner-friendly website that does what you need.